Hello and welcome to yet another interesting and exciting episode of The Alchemist Voice. My name is Queen and I am your anchor. Yes, this is our 17th episode and it's been with your help, guys, that we are here up till this day. I want to say a very big thank you to all our listeners, and yes, I hope you guys had a lovely weekend, and I hope you guys are prepared for the new week. I hope you've planned opportunities. I hope you've planned out possibilities that will take you to the next level, and that's why in Covenant we are always here open with full possibilities. We are always open with new opportunities to all our alchemists and people at large. And yes, this week isn't an exception, as we have a roller coaster of events that has happened and will happen in the future. And remember, why I am here is to give you updated information about the Covenant platform that you must have missed during the week. And this week isn't an exception, as I will be giving you a rundown of what has been going on in this space. I hope you are ready to take in all this information, because I am super ready to unleash what I came with for you today. It's always exciting to be here, and we will be moving to our business of the day. The headlines we have for you this week, we'll be looking at the ETH Online. That's our biggest ETH global event of the year. We'll be looking at futures, we'll be looking at DeFi and cross-chain interoperability hackathon by Gitcoin. We'll be looking at workshops, we'll be looking at Covenant staking contract audit competition. We'll be looking at our 1 billion build as our morning show by Harish and Lay. And yes, we'll be looking at process for governance proposal. We'll be looking at Alchemist dApps Unleashed hackathon, and finally we will be looking at our Research Guild challenge. And yes, to our news in details. On October 18th, that's previously last week, Lay welcomed Alchemist and friends, and she informed us that the results for the ETH Online are in, and we are absolutely so happy. I remember when we had this announcement a few weeks back that we were registering for the ETH Online global event, and I encouraged people to actually participate. And yes, a big congratulations to all those who took that step and submitted their project. The results are out. The prizes to be won were $3,000 prize pool, and yes, I expected alchemists to participate, and people really turned up for that event. And I want to say a huge congratulations to all those who emerged as top finalists and all those who emerged as winners. And for those of you who took the bold step to participate, trust me, you guys are winners in your own respective category. And yes, a huge congrats to all those who participated. Like I said, the 3K USD prize pool is up for grabs and people have won it. My God, that's a huge sum of money. And yes, alchemists are known for rewards, and they are known for hard work. So for every hard work, there is always a reward. And I want to say congratulations to those who emerged as winners. A special shout out to two projects, DJ Dogs and Splice, which met the list of ETH Online finalists. If you want to read more on this news, you can check up our Discord page. There is a link provided on our blog that you can go check it out if you want to know if you're a winner or not. Please do to kindly check out the link on our Discord page. And we are moving on. Yes, recently we were featured in the Bain Crypto, where a deep dive was published about Covenant. Remember, Covenant is a platform that must be known all over the world, and yes, we have been looking into strategic partnerships that will push Covenant into the bigger atmosphere. And yes, recently we were featured in Bain Crypto, where a deep dive was published published about Covalent. We're really, really excited about this and humbled that so many people will get to know about us and our mission in the blockchain space. If you would like to know more about this news, please kindly check our Discord Covalent announcement channel. There is a link provided for you to go read to your satisfaction. And yes, we're moving on. The DeFi and cross-chain interoperability hackathon by Gitcoin started on October 18th. Please, there was an announcement that the Gitcoin, this thing, DeFi and cross-chain interoperability has started. The official date was of October 19th. Yes, but Lei made this announcement on October 18th. Yes, we are going to be joining Harish and Emmanuel for a walkthrough of the Covalent API, including hackathon resources, code template, and a multi-chain demo. It was really, really, really an amazing session. Yes, you know, Harish is our top team member in the Covalent project, and anything that he says he's going to do, he does it so well, marvelously well. And yes, this wasn't an exception, because you know, as I always say, in Covalent, where there is hard work, there is always a reward. Yes, we are offering 10k in bounties for developers building tools for DAOs, DAZs, and a classification engine. Remember, I said the date for this was October 19th at 5 p.m. UTC. So please, Alchemist, like I would always advise, I would always say, please keep your notifications on so you wouldn't miss out on any important update about the Covalent platform, because sometimes before we bring this news to you, this event has already taken place. We are just giving you updates on what has happened throughout the week. So please do well to always keep your notifications open so you wouldn't miss out on any vital information. If you want to know more about that, you can check the links provided in the Covalent announcement channel. Yeah, there is a link provided and you can actually read through. Yes, the Covalent staking contract audit competition was live on October 19th. I joined and I hope you guys did, because it was an amazing session. And yes, back to workshop. I know most alchemists have really missed out on workshops, because on the previous seasons workshops were incoming, but there are so many workshops that have been ongoing in the different guilds. That's why I have been saying, please do well to keep your notifications on so you would know when an important update pops up on your screen. The different guilds have been working so hard to bring out different plans for their guild. So please do well to check your guilds, the one you selected, you wanted to belong to. Please do well to check, because there are talks, there are conversations. So keep up with the conversations on the Discord channel. Please always do well. And yes, the workshop alerts, Harish and Emmanuel, they were presenting a walkthrough of the Covalent API. Like I said, yeah, that workshop was happening on October 19. I've already announced that it happened on October 19, and yes, you know, there was always a prize. There are POAPs to be won. Yes, we have our 1 billion views. This is our morning show with Harish and Lei. Come hang out with Harish and Lei as we start the day off with coffee and Web3 info. Yes, please, if you've not joined this event before, please endeavor to join, because it is always a great time with Harish and Lei. That's our top Covalent team members in this space. And yes, like I would always say, where there is hard work, there is always a reward. There were POAPs to be won. And moving on, Patrick, yes, on October 20, we had a governance proposal, and the steps, a few highlights that were given by Patrick was, we are calling it a Covalent Governance V1, and it also has 3 consensus levels. That's the discourse, the Discord, and the snapshot vote. We have the proposal creation threshold holding almost at 5,000 CQT. We have proposals will be initially bootstrapped by the Covalent team. We have voting power. That's 1 CQT equals to a vote. Yeah, and yes, your CQT will stay in your wallet. There is no gas cost either for those of you who are afraid of gas fee, and also a minimum quorum for a proposal to pass. There's a 55% approval, 1,000 votes. There's a detailed process on our Discord page. That's if you go to the Covalent announcement channel, there's a detailed process, and there are links provided in that channel. Please do well to kindly check if you have any difficulty understanding, or if you want to read more. Yes, don't remember, in Covalent we have so many opportunities. I would always advise that if you actually selected a guild that you would be joining, guilds have started work in earnest, so please always do well to check our Discord channel for your guild, your interested guild, to check if there is a task that is ongoing, so you don't miss out on important conversations that is happening in the space. And please, Discord is for you, alchemists. Please always do well to be conversant with everything that is going on our Discord page. And yes, if it's been really a long while since we heard from our big sister Jackie. She made an announcement on October 18th. She said, "Hey yo, how are you all amazing humans doing?" Yes, Jackie the Oracle from Covalent is here to greet you and share some updates on the Alchemist DAO. Jackie gave some tips for our new members that are just joining our community, and yes, she gave tips on how to become an alchemist in our new Alchemist DAO, and she gave instructions to follow. Please do well to kindly check out this on our Discord page, or for more information on the DAO, please visit our official Notion page that will contain all the info, and it is provided on our Discord Alchemist announcement channel. And yes, this week the Research Guild Challenge will be submitted. Remember, last week the Research Guild had a challenge that was up, and to participate, you needed to have submitted your submit your dashboard, article, video, or podcast through the Research Guild submission process. And yes, post and showcase your work in the Discord. I already made this announcement last week. I hope you guys participated, because the deadline for this Research Guild Challenge is Monday 24th of October at 2 p.m. UTC. And you know how the process is. The alchemists will be asked to upvote the submissions they like the most, and the prizes: first place, we have 200 CQT plus an exclusive POAPs. We have second place, 150 CQT plus exclusive POAPs, and then third place we have 100 CQT plus exclusive POAPs. For more details, and if you have any questions to ask, you can head over to our Discord page to ask any questions you have. And yes, Covalent is hosting the Alchemist Dapps Unleashed Hackathon from November 1 to 15th. The prize pool is 5,000 USD awarded in CQT. I hope you guys are ready. And the challenge we are giving: you can create an entire dApps with just 1 or 2 endpoints. Code templates can be light and powerful. Create at least 5 use case templates on Replit with a max of 3 class A endpoints. For each template, selected projects will be published on the API docs. This template will inspire and help the growing global community of developers build faster and easier. For details on that and to be able to register, please kindly check our Discord page so you can register. And yes, it's a wrap for this episode. You can catch us on our live podcast if you missed you can catch up on the links to our podcast if you missed our live session. Remember, in Covalent, we have different languages in our community, and we have each community representing them. You can do well to join the official community representing your language. If you have any proposal of any sort, do well to submit it at covalenthq.com. You can follow us on all our social media handles, website www.covalenthq.com, Twitter at Covalent HQ, Discord at covalenthq.com/Discord, IG at Covalent HQ, Telegram t.me/Covalent HQ. We've come to the end of our news. It's always a thrilling experience being here. And yes, once again, my name is Queen and I am your anchor. Remember, at Covalent, we are one big family, and yes, we have a whole lot of possibilities. We have a whole lot of opportunities waiting for you in the space. Thank you, family. It was wonderful being here with you once again. Thank you and have a nice and exciting week. See you soon. Stay safe, stay tuned. Bye.